Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify the PayPal account. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the PayPal app on your home screen. Now open it. Now, to verify the account, tap onto the profile icon at the top right corner right here. Then, here you can find the option of confirm. Go ahead and select it. Wait for a few seconds. Now the app has sent the confirmation code to your email. Check your email and add the confirmation code. Then simply tap on to confirm. Now you can see your email account has been confirmed by the app. And that's it. This is how you can verify the PayPal account. It is very simple and easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.